Welcome everyone! It's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. Guys, we are here in Regent Heights, located in Barangay Poblacion, San Ignacio Street, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Along the road, nakikita nyo ba yung e-bus na yan? Dumadaan. So dito guys, yung bus papuntang Manila, papuntang Quezon City, one ride ka lang. Ayan yung entrance gate along the main road. Saan ka pa makakakita ng subdivision na along the main road na mayroong marami nang nakatayong bahay na unit kasi ready for occupancy available, pre-selling also available. Ayan siya guys. Let's go! Samahan nyo ako. Guys, this is Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and I'm here with Alexa Townhouse, ang ating model unit. Magkakaroon tayo ng quick house tour at update sa ating sample computation and inventory. Ayan siya guys. Kapag ka-inner unit, ganito. 'Di ba? 50 square meter yung minimum lot. Ayan. Meron tayong available na corner na nasa 80 square meter lot. 4.8 pataas na siya. Pero kapag ka-inner lot guys, 50 yung lote, minimum 65 yung floor area. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize po sa inyo na ang ganda ng color combination. Ano siya? For a townhouse, very elegant looking si Alexa. Ayan. Alam nyo, kung hindi nyo pa natatagpuan ang Regent Heights, ang townhouse na hinahanap nyo, ito na yun guys. Alam nyo kasi, yung mga common issue kapag townhouse, 'di ba? Maliit yung bahay, isa lang yung CR, dalawa lang yung kwarto. Well, guess what? This Alexa model with 65 square meter floor area is spacious enough for up to 6 family members. Bakit? Kasyang-kasya ang 6-seater dining table, L-shape ang kitchen, you have a toilet and shower sa first floor at second floor. Very spacious na toilet. Ayan. Ang problema sa ibang townhouse, napakasikip ng CR. Dito sa Regent Heights, nakikita nyo mismo sa video guys kung gaano kaluwag yung ating toilet and shower sa first floor pa lang. At yung ating living area, very spacious. And our dining table, na tingnan nyo naman. Can you imagine? This is a townhouse. Wow. And you also have a service area na pwede mong ipa-enclosed yan kasama tong partition sa turnover pa. Lagyan mo na lang yan ng polycarbonate roof. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang gawing laundry area. And going to the second floor, guys, let's go! Ang ating turnover ay complete finished, kaya naka-tiles na yan, naka-partition na yan ng 3 kwarto. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys, bedroom 1! Diba? If you have a growing family or kung gusto mo lang gawin yung home office, pwedeng-pwede. Your bedroom number 2, very spacious, kahit queen size bed, kahit double bed, kahit double deck, kayang-kaya, pwedeng-pwede, kasyang-kasya. And very spacious ang ating hallway. Look at that. Pag inalis mo nga itong table na to, mas maluwag pa, pero nalagyan pa ng table, di ba? And our toilet and shower number 2. Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba kahit may elderly. Perfect ang Regent Heights kasi kung sa second floor, pwede ka nang makapag-shower, pwede ka nang makapag-toilet, 'di ba? Very convenient. And our master's bedroom na may 2 windows at kasyang-kasya ang queen size at double bed, nakapaglagay pa nga ng 2 side table at ito pa guys, at nakapagpa-customize pa ng closet. Pwede ka rin magpa-customize ng closet dito guys, okay? So that is our Regent Heights Alexa Townhouse. You can see how spacious this townhouse is for your growing family. Kaya kung less than 6 lang kayo, edi mas okay, 'di ba? Kasi nga up to family of 6 nga, pwede pa to. Ayan o, your 6-seater dining table. I want you guys to see the beauty of our Alexa model. And of course, before anything else, let's talk about our updated sample computation. Let's say ikaw ay naghahanap ng early move-in after 4 months, pwede ka nang lumipat. Ang ating sample computation for ready for occupancy showing on the screen. Bank financing para mas mababa kasi mataas na po talaga yung si Pag-ibig. Kaya karamihan talaga dito bank financing, guys. Okay? So that is our sample computation bank financing ready for occupancy. And for pre-selling, ayan siya, guys. Showing on the screen pre-selling para walang cash out. Ayan po. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, ayan. Very affordable ang ating bank financing. Again, kung Pag-ibig, mas mataas na po talaga. Triple na. Kaya naman, mas bank ang aming ino-offer kasi dahil pag Pag-ibig, nasa 50,000 pataas na yan. Diba? Pero kung okay ka naman sa 50,000 pataas yung monthly mo, edi you can go for Pag-ibig. Diba? So, ayan siya, guys. Alright? So, all you need to do, of course, is to prepare your initial requirements to be qualified here. So I'm gonna show it on the screen right now. Our initial requirements, guys. Prepare all these. Initial pa lang yan para naman makapag-reserve ka na. O, diba? And of course, bawal dito mag-walk-in. Strict po yung guard natin dahil may mga community na may nakatira na po sa Regent Heights. All you need to do, guys, is to contact my Viber and WhatsApp number directly. Ayan po siya, guys. Viber and WhatsApp showing on the screen. Always showing on the screen. Mention Regent Heights. Bago mag-tripping, magpa-schedule sa akin at least 1 to 2 days before. Okay, guys? And of course, kung ang gamit mo ay Messenger, ayan po yung aking Messenger link. Ayan siya, guys. Okay? So, just contact me as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thanks for watching. And of course, let's have a last look for our Alexa model Regent Heights.